Why does your scanner show the P2179 engine code? What does it mean? P2179 is a diagnostic trouble code for System 2 Lean-Off Idle Bank 2. This error code indicates that your car's engine computer has detected that the air-to-fuel mixture on Bank 2 is running with too much air and not enough fuel, specifically when the engine is running just above idle speed, like when you are cruising or accelerating. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: intake vacuum leaks, faulty oxygen or air-fuel sensor, MAF sensor, fuel delivery issues, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, BMW, Volkswagen, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.